Performing an advanced search. If you want to do more complex search, then try using the advanced search. The link is located under the search bar right under the magnifying glass. On the top, you can still choose which collection to search in. The default is the San Jose State Collections. You can input more keywords or concepts for more precise searching by adding additional lines if needed. The default field search is by keyword, but you can choose title, author, subject, ISBN, ISSN, OCLC number, call number, location, or publisher. On the right-hand side, under Material Type, you can choose to search all items, articles, audio-visual, books, conference proceedings, images, journals, newspaper articles, or scores. Under the material type, you have publication date. You can limit it to any year, a specific date, last year, last 2 years, last 5 years, last 10 years, or last 20 years.